Alexandra Maniego Eala, born May 23, 2005, is a Filipino professional tennis player. She has a career-high singles ranking of No. 56 by the WTA, achieved on June 30, 2025, making her the highest-ranked Filipino player in WTA Tour history and the first Filipino player to reach the top 100 in the WTA rankings. She is also the first Filipino to defeat multiple top 5 players and Grand Slam champions and reach a tour-level final in the Open era. At the age of 12, Eala won the 2018 Les Petty S14 and Under tournament, beating Linda Noskova in the finals. She made her junior major debut at the 2019 US Open. She was named the 2019 Milo Junior Athlete of the Year. Eala won the 2020 Australian girls doubles event, partnering Priska Madeline Nugroho. They defeated Ziva Faulkner and Matilda Mutavzik in the final. Eala peaked in the junior rankings at No. 2 after reaching the semifinals at the 2020 French Open girls singles competition. Following a major triumph at the French Open in 2021, Eala paid tribute to her roots on Independence Day. Partnering Russia's Oksana Selekhmetova, she claimed the girls' doubles title as the tournament's top seed. The pair defeated Maria Bondarenko of Russia and Amarissa Chiara-Toth of Hungary in the final. In September 2022, Eala became the first Filipino player to win a junior Grand Slam singles championship and the only Filipino with multiple junior major titles. She defeated the No. 2 seed Lucy Havlikova of the Czech Republic in the girls singles final of the US Open at the USDA Billie Jean King National Tennis Center in New York. Born on May 23, 2005 in Quezon City, Alex was born with athleticism running through her veins. Her mother is a swimmer and 1985 Southeast Asian Games bronze medalist Rosemary Riza Maniego Eala. Her uncle is Philippine Sports Commission chairperson Noli Eala, while her brother Maiko Eala is also a budding tennis champ. At only 19 years old, Alex Eala is waving the Philippine flag high on the tennis court. In recent news, she bested world number 2 Iga Swiatek at the 2025 Miami Open quarterfinals. Advancing to the semifinals proved to be a historic feat, as Alex became the first Filipina to reach the top 8 of a Women's Tennis Association 1000 competition. Alex picked up the racket at an early age, winning the 2018 Les Petty S14 and Under tournament in 2018. Since then, she's boasted of a 164-98 wins to losses record in the singles category. As of March 2025, she ranks at No. 75 according to the WTA. Alex is a scholar of the Rafa Nadal Tennis Academy in Spain. Since she was only 12 years old, Alex was enlisted into the Rafa Nadal Academy in Mallorca, Spain. Given her tenure at the institution, she is also currently based in the European city. Alex made her junior debut at the US Open at only 14 years old. Continually making a mark on the international scene, Alex made her Grand Slam debut at the US Open back in 2019. Only 14 years old at the time, she has since participated in competitions held around the world, including Wimbledon, the Australian Open, and the French Open. Alex is the highest-ranked Filipina singles tennis player in history. With her long list of accomplishments, Alex officially becomes the highest-ranked Filipina singles tennis player according to the WTA. She surpassed Maricruz Jens, whose career spanned through the 1990s. Given the possibility of more victories at the Miami Open, Alex's rank can possibly continue to rise. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.